to draw isometric for this component, let's draw here origin line or the ground line. Mark a single point O, draw one vertical line, right, 30-degree incline. These are the reference lines, right? So we will start from these lines only. Okay, these are the reference lines. Now if you observe here it is the location O, right? So that means on the left side, this should be the left side, left, and this should be, here it is the location O, so this should be the right side, right side. So on right side we have to take 70 mm, and on left side we have to take 60 plus 20 plus 20 means 100 mm. So if you observe here, these are the two edges which are only visible, right? So we will draw these two edges only. Okay, see here 60 mm on the left side, okay. Out of this 100 mm, only 20 mm which is visible, okay, these two edges. Now we will form this slot afterwards. Initially we will draw all these themes. Now see here, from O the right hand side is of 70 mm. So draw 70 mm from this point. $70, $100. Now see, vertically it is of, this vertical edge is of 50 plus 15, that means 65. Okay, so draw here 65 mm, 65, right, this much 65. Okay, so I will draw these lines from this corner also, 65. Okay, now at this corner also 65. These are the three edges which is of 65 mm length. Now I will align drafter to the right side and simply connect this. While connecting this line, left hand side line, since the radius is of 30 mm, that means this portion is of 60 mm. So by leaving 60 mm centrally, I will connect only the end parts which is of 20 mm. That much portion is there. Okay. Now as we know, this distance is of 35 and width is of 20. Since width, this line is parallel to R, so parallel to R, I will take here 20 mm distance. Here it is. This much distance is of 20 mm, right? So what we have to do, we need to align drafter to the left side, and now this total distance is of 100 mm, this is of 40, that means remaining is of 60. Now 60 we need to divide equally on both the side, that means I need to draw this line, right, this. Since I got this point over here, this much distance is of 30 mm and vertical distance is of 35, right? So I will draw it over here. Total distance is of 100 mm, out of which 30 mm, and here it is 30 mm. right? I have drawn two lines 30 mm. Now vertically 35 mm. So align drafter in this way and take the vertical distance 35 mm. Okay. Now if I connect this, it should be edge. Which edge? This edge, 40 mm edge. This should be a 40 mm edge, which I have to connect to this point. And this point. Right? This is the fourth most, means the first edge. Now similarly I have to generate these two lines which are parallel to this and this from these points, right? So for that, align drafter in this way to the right side. Since the width I know, which is 20 mm, I will draw 20 mm from these corners. Now it is easy to connect. Right? This much portion is there. Now, since here there will be a curve, right? So to draw this curve, I need to form here the edges, right? So at the same time, we will finish up to this edge. Right? After drawing this edge can be visible. Okay. Now I need to generate here a half circle, and for that we will form a square. Since I know, I will align drafter initially vertically. From this point I have to take 30 mm distance on both the side. Why? Because radius is of 30 mm. So 30 mm on both the side. The same way over here, 30 mm on both the side. Connect it. Now this will be the square by which we will get the inside half circle. So for that, connect longest diagonal. This is the longest diagonal. Now from this point connect to this one, right? From this point connect to this one, or from this point connect to center point. See carefully. From this corner I have connected to the center point. This is the center point. From this point I need to connect to this center point. Right? Now, by taking this as a center point and this much distance as a radius, I need to mark an arc. So let me check. Okay. This one is the first arc, smallest arc, which will cross the longest diagonal. Now take this as a center point, and by taking this as a distance or radius, mark an arc. Okay, I will keep this distance as it is. Now by taking this as a center, I have formed this curve. Since this distance is of 50 mm, how? This total distance is of 70 mm. minus 20, which will come it as 50 mm. So since this distance is of 50 mm, I need to project this point in the direction of R 50 mm. So for that I will align drafter, and from this point I have to project this point 50 mm. I need to project this point 50 mm. So this will be the center. By taking this same distance which we have taken already, this much distance, place it over here, and from this point mark an arc. Okay. Now the next part, since here we don't know the distances, we need to find this much distance, right? Because wherever angular dimensions are there, to draw in isometric we need to convert these angular dimensions into linear. See, since I know this distance is of 60 mm, I need to form over here 60 mm, draw separately 60 mm distance, right? The vertical distance of this much is of 15 mm, so take the 15 mm distance vertically. Now since I formed two edges, this one is of 60 mm and this is of 15 mm, right? So from this point I need to form a angle which is of 60 degree, right? So I will form here 60 degree angle. If I align this to 30, then this angle will be of 30 mm, this angle. If I align this to 60, see carefully, if I align this to 60, this angle is of 60 mm, 60 degree. Now this angle is of 60 degree, right? Similarly, you can draw on the other side. In this way. Now what I have to do, I need to measure this much distance, right? So currently this distance which appears 78 mm, right? Now this 78 mm, see carefully, if I find the center point of this 60 mm and if I project it, it will appear over here, right? So 78 mm we need to divide in two equal parts, so you will get here the distance 39 mm on both the sides, 39 mm. Okay, so for that align drafter to this way, find the center point, project the center point 15 mm above, 15 mm above. Now from that point I need to draw a line which is parallel to left side. Now on that line take 39 mm distance, here it is 39 and this one as a 39. So since I got the edges, simply I need to connect these edges in this way. Right? Now we need to check the inside edges. How? Simply align drafter to the right side and check whether the edges are visible. Since this edge is inside of this block, but this edge we can easily show. Right? Thank you very much.